It's finally lunchtime. It's finally lunchtime.
I've been counting the minutes. I've been counting the minutes.
How long is our lunch break? How long is our lunch break?
It's 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes.
That's it? I worked for 5 hours. That's it? I worked for 5 hours.
I know, it's terrible, but what can we do? I know, it's terrible, but what can we do?
Can we protest? Can we protest?
We would get fired. We would get fired.
But we deserve a longer lunch break. But we deserve a longer lunch break.
I agree. I think we should have 1 hour. I agree. I think we should have 1 hour.
Let's start a petition rather than protest. Let's start a petition rather than protest.
A petition is a perfect idea. A petition is a perfect idea. Hi, how are you doing today? Hi, how are you doing today?
I am fine. I am fine.
Just so you know, we have a huge sale today. Just so you know, we have a huge sale today.
Good to know. Good to know.
We also have dresses that just came in today. We also have dresses that just came in today.
Can you please stop talking? Can you please stop talking?
I beg your pardon? I beg your pardon?
I just want to shop, but you keep talking. I just want to shop, but you keep talking.
I'm just doing my job. I'm just doing my job.
You're not very good at doing your job. You're not very good at doing your job.
It's my job to tell you about our sale. It's my job to tell you about our sale.
You're just really annoying. You're just really annoying. I realize that I hate my job. I realize that I hate my job.
What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it?
I always have to treat customers like royalty. I always have to treat customers like royalty.
Even when the customer is wrong? Even when the customer is wrong?
At my job, the customer is always right. At my job, the customer is always right.
Tell me a bad experience you had. Tell me a bad experience you had.
A customer dropped his drink on me once. A customer dropped his drink on me once.
And then what happened? And then what happened?
He started getting mad at me. He started getting mad at me.
That is so unreasonable. That is so unreasonable.
Then my manager told me to apologize. Then my manager told me to apologize.
You should quit. You should quit.
I have the worst job shift ever. I have the worst job shift ever.
No, I do. No, I do.
My shift is from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. My shift is from 6 p.m. to 2 a.m.
My shift is from 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. My shift is from 6 p.m. to 5 a.m.
Okay, I was wrong. You have the worst shift. Okay, I was wrong. You have the worst shift.
It's ruining my health. It's ruining my health.
I have to change my sleeping schedule. I have to change my sleeping schedule.
I can never have dinner with my family anymore. I can never have dinner with my family anymore.
Me too. My parents are mad at me. Me too. My parents are mad at me.
Mine too. They want me to quit. Mine too. They want me to quit.
Let's quit together. Let's quit together.
Yeah, let's quit next week. Yeah, let's quit next week.